Hello friends, welcome to our HTML tutorial. Today we will see that what is inline element and what is block level element. Till this video we have seen comment tag, body tag, h1 tag, means heading tags, paragraph tags. So all these are tags. These tags are divided into two categories by its display nature. Okay, how it will displayed, how it will be processed by browser, it divide it into two categories. One is inline element and second is block level element. So inline element, as it indicated in its name, it is displayed inline, so it will not disturb the flow of text, flow of content, and it is appear inline. Okay, and what is block level element? Block level element is whenever you use block level element, it is appear in the next line. So you are writing a line and in between you have using p tag. Then whenever you will write a p tag, means any block element, it will start new line from that tag. Okay, the block elements span over complete row. Okay, inline element just acquire the size wherever you use that. Okay, but block element acquire the complete row or multiple row based on the length of the text. Okay, but it minimum it will acquire a row, single row. Okay, how can we analyze which one is the structure tag and which one is the inline tag? Basically all the structuring tag like h1, paragraph, block quote are the block level elements, and whatever are formatting element in HTML are the inline element like bold tag, italic tag, em tag. All these are inline elements. So we will see the example, so you will get the difference. So this is our example. In this example I have used p tag, and inside that p tag I have used b tag. So let's see our example. Here is our p tag. This is h1 tag, this is p tag. So when I use this p tag, it started a new line. Okay, but when I am using this b tag, it not started a new line, it just bold this text and continue the flow of content. So this is what the inline element. In this case our b tag is the inline element and p tag is the block level element. So what happen if I am using p tag here? It will start a new line. Just see this text, this word. It started new line from this word, and again after ending this p tag, it started again new one line. Okay, so this is what a block level element. It's acquiring a complete block. Okay, and inline element is working whatever it want to do, what it want to format, it is doing inline. It is not taking to a new line. So this is what the difference between inline element and block level element. So I hope you get understand. I have already listed some tag here like h1 to h6 is the block level element, then p also block level element, q is not a block level element, block quote is a block level element, hr, br, and these are the example of inline element like I, strong, b, em, mark, delete, insert. Okay, so just remember this thing in simplified language. All the structuring element is the block level element and all the formatting element is the inline element. So this is enough for today. In next lecture we will see the hr and br tag. Thank you.